Morning everyone, I will present to you a short report about the Manila Hotel and Conrad Manila. The Manila Hotel is known as the true heart of the Philippines and the country's first ever 5-star hotel, opened in 1912. It is defined by its rich history, elegance, and world-class service. It is strategically located next to Kilometer Zero near Rizal Park and Intramuros. Sustainability practices. While the Manila Hotel's specific detailed waste management plan wasn't found, the luxury hotel industry in the Philippines focuses on reducing environmental impact through comprehensive strategies. Common cost-saving methods general to luxury Manila hotels. These typically include energy efficiency like smart systems for lighting, cooling, and LED conversions. Water conservation, grey water recycling, high-efficiency fixtures, and aggressive waste reduction, recycling, composting, and plastic-free alternatives. Operational efficiency. During the pandemic, the hotel invested in a technology-driven approach, installing HEPA UV Care Clean Air purifying filtration systems, and enhancing sanitation protocols. UV lights, high temperature laundering, which while initially a cost, is marketed as a commitment to guest safety and long-term operational excellence. Core brand identity. The hotel's brand is deeply intertwined with Philippines history and culture. It is positioned as a distinct blend of history, luxury, and genuine Filipino hospitality. Brand narrative. Marketing often evokes nostalgia and promotes the hotel as a historic witness to the city's best and most challenging times, making it a recognizable and celebrated institution. World-class standard. Maintains a reputation for world-class service and elegance that appeals to a distinguished clientele. Service quality. In the luxury Manila hotel sector, service quality is determined by dimensions like tangibility, reliability, empathy, responsiveness, and assurance. Customer feedback. Hotel management monitors online reviews and ratings from platforms like OTAS and TripAdvisor to assess service quality and inform marketing decisions. Marketing mix. Product. The offering is high-end accommodation, over 500 rooms, 22 function rooms, 3 ballrooms, and signature dining like Cafe Ilang Ilang. Place. The hotel is located in the heart of Manila, near major landmarks. Distribution relies on direct reservations, its website, and partnerships, as well as being listed on online travel agencies. Promotion includes traditional events like the annual Christmas tree lighting ceremony and digital channels, such as launching takeout services for its food favorites during changing times. The use of guest data for personalized promotion is a key industry trend. Business model. Accommodation. Primary revenue from luxury room bookings and long-stay guests. Food and beverage. Significant revenue from its popular restaurants and lounges. MICE and events. High margin revenue from utilizing its large function rooms, ballrooms, and executive club for weddings, corporate events, and conferences. Strategic marketing analysis. Strengths. Historic, iconic brand with heritage charm. Prime Manila Bay location, near landmarks and cultural sites. Large facilities, rooms, ballrooms, spa, pools, dining options. Blend of history plus modern comfort for diverse guests. Weaknesses. Aging infrastructure. Some rooms facilities feel outdated. Less appeal to younger and trend-focused travelers. Limited access to modern lifestyle, mall labs. Opportunities. Promote heritage tourism and cultural experiences. domestic staycation market growth, expand MICE and event hosting. Threats: competition from modern luxury hotels in Manila, fluctuations in tourism demand, and changing traveler preferences. Conrad Manila. Conrad Manila is a luxury hotel known for its bold, contemporary design inspired by the yacht on Manila Bay. It is a LEED Gold certified building. It is strategically located within the Mall of Asia complex and offers direct access to the SMX Convention Center. Light Stay Program. The hotel manages its environmental performance under Hilton's comprehensive Light Stay program. This program monitors energy conservation, water consumption, waste efficiency, and carbon yield. Energy and water savings. In 2018, the hotel achieved its targets for 3% water savings and 4% power savings. Cost savings are achieved through efficiency improvements. Smart technology. Guest rooms are equipped with occupancy sensors that control lighting and cooling functions, reducing energy waste. Waste reduction. The hotel is focused on reducing the use of plastic, such as serving water in carafes instead of plastic bottles and replacing plastic straws with paper. Excess notepads and pencils are donated to a children's charity instead of being thrown away. Food sourcing. They lower their carbon footprint by sourcing organic lettuce and tomatoes from a hydroponics farm in Alabang and using an organic garden for menu flavoring. Community engagement. Through the Soap for Hope program, discarded soap is upcycled, providing an independent revenue source for marginalized women. Brand philosophy. As part of Conrad Hotels and Resorts, the brand connects the guest with the place through contemporary, bold, locally inspired design and thoughtful contemporary art. Target market. The brand targets the new generation of smart luxury travelers for whom life, business, and pleasure seamlessly intersect. Key differentiator. The hotel's unique yacht-inspired architecture and its extensive collection of 700 pieces of art position it as a luxury, interactive art museum. Location messaging. Marketing heavily promotes its incredible views of Manila Bay and its strategic location near the airport, tourist attractions, and entertainment districts. Reputation. The hotel holds a respectable reputation for excellent quality and customer service. Recognition. It has received awards like the Conrad Achievement Award, presented to the top 1% of the brand's hotels based on total quality scores and problem resolution and cleanliness. Empowerment through tech. Guests are empowered to customize their stay and place requests from anywhere using the Conrad Concierge mobile app, in-room tablets that control lighting and temperature. Purposeful service. Team members are trained to create enriching, impactful experiences that connect guests with the local destination. Marketing mix. Product. The luxury product includes 347 rooms, nearly 2,000 square meters of event space, including the large Forbes ballroom, the Conrad Spa, and signature dining like the celebrity chef created China Blue by Jeremy Liang. Pricing is at the high end of the market, reflecting its 5-star luxury status and high operating standards. Promotion. This includes the Hilton Honors loyalty program to incentivize direct bookings and repeat business. The hotel also promotes its unique 135 program, which features exclusive 1-hour, 3-hour, and 5-hour local cultural experiences. Place. The hotel benefits from its location with a direct link to the SMX Convention Center for the MICE market. Distribution is managed through Hilton's global network, the website, and the Conrad Concierge app. Business model. Revenue streams or hotel operations. Primary revenue sources are room bookings, food and beverage sales, and event space rentals. MICE reliance. Its proximity and direct access to the SMX Convention Center suggests a strong reliance on the MICE market. Parent company structure. Conrad Manila is owned by SM Hotels and Conventions Corporation and managed by Hilton Worldwide. Loyalty integration. The Hilton Honors Program is critical, indirectly generating revenue by fostering guest loyalty and driving repeat bookings. Strategic marketing analysis. Strengths. Prime Bay Area location with views of Manila Bay and sunrise. Modern, sleek design appealing to business and luxury travelers. Large event spaces and luxury amenities like spa, pool, restaurants, and part of Global Hilton Conrad brand, ensuring service consistency. Weaknesses. Premium pricing limits middle market reach. Strong reliance on corporate, MICE, and high-end leisure guests. Less heritage or unique cultural appeal compared to historic hotels. Opportunities. Target luxury staycationers and high-end domestic travelers. Leverage digital marketing and lifestyle influencer campaigns. Expand wellness and experiential offerings. Threats. Intense competition in Manila Bay and BGC luxury hotels. Economic downturns affecting high-end travel. Rise of boutique hotels and service residences, and health or travel crisis impacting tourists. That would be all. Thank you.